Welcome to Eric's Graphics. I am Eric, and my mission is to make business feel more heartfelt. Hey guys, today I want to introduce a tool that I commonly use whenever I'm doing a workshop or a meeting. And the tool is called CORPI, and I'm going to explain to you how you can use this tool and what this entails. So CORPI stands for context, objective, roles, process, and interaction. Let's start with the bit about the context. So in the context, it's important that you state the problem clearly, so people understand what the importance is, and most importantly, what the impact is on the attendees. So it is possible to do this in just 2 sentences. An example could be, due to the coronavirus outbreak, we're seeing a surge on our web shop. And the problem is that we cannot handle the fulfillments, so we're facing a potential loss in revenue. So every workshop or meeting has an objective, and what I just want to add on this point is that it helps to state your objective in a smart way. Next up are roles. Very important, because you have to make it clear what people can expect from you and what you expect of people. And as a facilitator, either you enter or you don't enter into the content. The leader of the workshop should be already appointed before the workshop. You're going to have the traditional roles of timekeeper and a scribe and a guardian. Now, process. Here we're going to explain to the attendees how we're going to achieve the objective that was previously stated. What sequence of conversations, exercises, or games are we going to play? This will put people a little bit more at ease about the workshop, and they might even already prepare for some fun. And finally, in the part of interaction, you just put in some emotion. You just explicitly say that we're going to have a great time and a fun time during this workshop. Just to recap, so this CORPI tool is really handy for whatever gathering that you want to organize where you have a clear objective. This could be a workshop, this could be a meeting, this could be an informal stand-up even. In any case, with these steps, you'll be able to get your people attending your workshop or meeting to participate in a very, very engaging way. Thank you very, very much for watching my video. I love making these. Please leave a like and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, click on the little bell to get notified about new videos I'm making. See you soon in my next video. Take care!